In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rocker arm oil pressure switch on this Honda Pilot. Now there are actually two of them, one on the front bank and one on the rear bank. I'll show you the location of both, but I'm only going to show you how to replace one of them because the procedure and the part are the same. Let's get started. To do this job, we have to remove the engine cover, use a flathead screwdriver, and turn counterclockwise 90 degrees on the two retainers that hold this on. There are two at the front. You just turn 90 degrees, and now you can lift this cover right up and off. On the front bank, so this is the one near the radiator, you'll see the oil pressure switch right here. So this is one of them. And on the rear bank, this is the one near the firewall, you would find it right here. That right there is your other oil pressure switch. Once again, the procedure is identical for both, so I'm going to show you how to do this one. Press on the tab of the connector and unplug it. With that set aside, you can use an oil pressure switch socket or a 24mm socket, deep. It has to be deep so it can fit over the connector or over the plug, and break it free. These should not be very tight. And depending on how recently your engine ran, there may be some oil that leaks out of there when you first remove it, or it might just stay dry. And there it is. Inspect the mounting area, making sure that everything is still in good shape, which it is. I'm going to take a rag, you can use some paper towel, and just gently wipe this off and make sure that no debris has fallen inside, which there wasn't any. So I'm going to take the new oil pressure switch and simply thread it all the way down. That's bottomed out by hand. Let's put our socket back on. And when you tighten this, all you want is to give it a little snug. So that is bottomed out with the tool. Give it a little extra, and that is it. 1/8 of a turn at most should do the trick, because otherwise it can break and it won't even seal up all the way if you crush it down too far. Plug it back in. Make sure that connector clicks, and there you go. This one's replaced. Once again, do the same to the other one if you need to. Reinstall the engine cover. Line it up in the front and in the rear. Press it down, and once you have it pressed in and lined up, turn 90 degrees clockwise with the screwdriver, and that'll lock in the two front clips, and there you have it. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.